Introducing the SWIFT-F1 splicer and coupling connector. It reduces construction expenses when compared to traditional V-groove connectors in FTTH installations. With the SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer, stripping, cleaning and cutting can be done at one time, as well as protective sleeve application. The SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer is used in conjunction with FTTH coupling connectors. Developed to reduce manufacturing costs 25 to 30% compared to traditional V-groove connectors by applying the benefits of the SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer to coupling connector design. Costs are reduced when choosing the SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer and coupling connector over V-groove connectors. Until now, some have hesitated to use coupling connectors due to their high costs, even though quality, durability and warranty servicing are better than those of V-groove connectors. Ilsintech has developed an epoch-making construction making, changing the paradigm in coupling costs. Presenting the SWIFT-F1 coupling connector. The types of coupling connectors usable for SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer are three types of SC type, the LC connector, and the FC connector. Each connector is divided into green APC and blue UPC forms. There are 0.9 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 8.5 mm and indoor cables. Packed like this. The SC connector in APC and UPC form. There are 4 parts to the components. Insertion signal loss in the connector is under 0.3 decibels with APC connector return signal loss over 60 decibels and UPC connector return signal loss over 50 decibels. The coupling connector has been perfected in every way, including quality, durability, and warranty servicing with inexpensive construction costs compared to traditional problematic V-groove connectors. Presenting the SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer. With the SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer, stripping, cleaning, and cutting can be done at one time, as well as protective sleeve application. Let's look at the coupling splicer. First, we turn it on. This is the monitor. We strip the cable. There are no cracks in the optical fiber thanks to heated stripping by the automatic motor. Motor life allows for over 1 million uses. We clean the cablet. Detergent flows in when pushed. Detergent is applied like so. We cut the cable. Good cutting quality is maintained in one action using an oil damper system. The blade can be replaced by simply pulling it free of the cutter. Blade life ensures over 50,000 cuts. Optical fiber can be safely disposed of in the carpet. The coupling splicer, V-groove, and optical fiber cleanliness are essential with V-groove coupling. The sleeve heater. The form can be adjusted by replacing the clamp assembly on the right. The battery. 2 batteries are installed. With batteries, over 100 cycles of work can be performed. Batteries can be charged with the exclusive charger with battery power remaining on display. the work table. Depending on the working environment, the coupler can be worn on a belt or strapped to the chest. For coupling splices, unfold like so. Just one SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer. Work is possible conveniently, easily and quickly on flat surfaces, telephone poles, in a top box, under the manhole or just about anywhere. Get work done more quickly, conveniently and economically with the innovative SWIFT-F1 coupling splicer developed by Ilsintech.